Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to discuss a very powerful love spell. That love spell which works only in 1 hour and produces immediate results without any side effects. Second thing, this spell is too powerful that it has never ever got failed, and it produces immediate indefinite results. Indefinite means the results which are going to be there, that result will last forever. There would be no lifespan of the results. If you want permanent lifelong results, if you are looking forward for any spell which has permanent results, because we have seen many spells, either the results of the spells are not permanent or they do have some kind of side effects. So if you are looking forward for any spell which has got powerful results and does not any, I am repeating, this spell does not have any side effect. Second thing, it has got permanent results, lifelong results. Only conditions which you have to follow while doing this spell is that you should not use this spell for any wrongful or for any illegal activity. Your intentions have to be to get your love back, to make your partner to come to you, to make your partner to apologize you, not to take any advantage. Now my dear brothers and sisters, for this powerful potent love spell you need a toothpaste, and that toothpaste must have salt in it. Repeating one more time, the toothpaste which you are going to use must have inbuilt salt in that. Now my dear brothers and sisters, you will get one black color pen which writes black as well, and also must have the outer body should be in the black color. These are the two predominant conditions which you have to follow. Along with this, my dear brothers and sisters, you need to keep one thing in your mind, that while doing this spell, you should not be disturbed by anyone and no one should be around you. Now, how to do this spell? On 28th of any month and 8th of any month, these are the two dates, 8th and 28th of any month, you are going to start this spell. Remember friends, this spell works only in 1 hour. Second thing, that this spell has been already used by our clients and the results are too powerful that they have given us 100% positive feedback. Mind my words, 100% positive feedback. Now my dear brothers and sisters, what you will do, suppose we are doing this spell on 28th. On 28th of any particular month, you will, in the morning time, you will apply this paste, little bit of paste on your tummy. Either you can apply on belly button or on your tummy, and 15 to 20 minutes make. After 15 to 20 minutes, let the paste get dry over belly button. After that, dear brothers and sisters, you are going to write down the name of your target person on your belly button. The paste which is there on your belly button, you are going to write the name on that belly button. Once you have done it, you are going to chant the powerful spell which is there on your screen right now. Also, dear brothers and sisters, while doing this, your back, you should be sitting with a straight back. Your back should not lay down, or it should not bend down, or it should not bend downwards. It should be completely straight. First, your name would be coming. For example, your name is Aman, so you will be chanting this spell like Aman, Papiha, Gusal, Malanga. Then after this, Karni, and your target person's name. This spell you have to chant for nearly 42 minutes continually, without any interruption, without any kind of disturbance. No one should be seeing you. You should not chat on with your friends on mobile phone, should not listen to music. Your complete dedication has to be towards this spell. Once you have done it, immediately your partner will call you. Wherever he or she lives, immediately she is gonna apologize, and she will say that yes, I want to be with you and I cannot live without you. Such a powerful impact. No need to do this spell twice. A strict warning to everyone whoever is practicing this spell, that once you have got the results, do not try to practice this spell on the other person or on the same person twice, to increase the intensity or power or potency of this spell. Dear brothers and sisters, if you have any doubt regarding this spell, please feel free to ask us on the number which is there on your screen. We would love to answer each and every query, or you can drop a WhatsApp message as well. Till that moment, don't forget to subscribe this channel for latest updates and notifications. Till that moment, take care. God bless you. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.